considering when you look up at the sky, there are not only the Santa Claus, there may be drones howling over to deliver takeout. This is Shenzhen, and drones have already been used to deliver takeout. But you know what? The flight stability and accuracy in the drones depend on perfect function of rigid flex bars. The rigid flex bars achieve faster signal transmission speed and smaller space occupation through multi-layer PCB wiring technology and a high-density connector design. And meanwhile, due to its excellent thermal management performance and anti-interference ability, the rigid flex bars can also ensure the stable operation of drones in harsh environments. In the control system of drones, the rigid flex bars can provide high-performance data processing capabilities, making drones more intelligent and automated. And in sensors and navigation systems, the rigid flex bars can efficiently connect and communicate with other modules, improving the positioning accuracy and the trajectory tracking ability of drones. So if you want to learn more about rigid flex board, please follow our channel and leave a message below the comment section.